course. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny. Keep your hair done, nails done like Jenny. I was gonna obsessed like Jenny. Like Jenny. I think I really like Jenny. Haters that don't really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny?